Hey everyone, if you'd like to turn your study notes, meeting notes, or personal documents into audio, ElevenReader can make that process simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert your notes into AI narration so you can listen instead of read. To get started, launch the ElevenReader app or open the website in your browser. Then sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account before continuing. Next, add the notes you want to convert into audio. Depending on the version of ElevenReader you're using, you can paste text directly into the app, upload a supported document, or import your notes from a compatible file. After your notes have been added, open them from your library or recent items. ElevenReader will prepare the content so it can be read aloud. Now press the play button to begin listening. ElevenReader will convert your notes into spoken audio using one of its AI voices. If multiple voices are available, you can choose the one you prefer. To make listening more comfortable, adjust the playback speed or switch to another available voice. You can also pause the narration, skip sections, or replay important parts whenever you need. Your notes will usually remain in your library, making it easy to come back and continue listening later. This is especially helpful when reviewing study materials or preparing for meetings and presentations. And that's how you can convert notes to audio with ElevenReader. It's a simple way to review information while you're on the go or multitasking throughout the day. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.